In the previous session, we saw like what is GIT, what's the difference between SVN and GIT, and what are the different steps we need to follow to check out a file and to check in the file back to GIT in a theoretical way. In this session, we can do some practical session like how to create a repository in the hub and how to clone and how to check in your files. Okay, so to start with, we need to install the JIT from this URL. Okay, and you can see the JIT for the Windows here. Okay, once you download and install the JIT, okay, from the command prompt you should be able to see like what is the JIT action JIT. Okay, you should see this. Okay, so the JIT is installed. After that, you need to create a account. Then you need to create an account in the GitHub. Okay, so after creating an account, like I already have the account and I already have one of repo. Okay, so if you want, you can create a new repo, and here you can see demo JIT. Okay, some repo files, and you can make it private or public. Okay, and you can add ignore JIT. Ignore means like if you want to ignore any files, okay, from the comparison, you can add here. Okay, and I'm creating repository. Okay, so my repository is created. So now I want to clone it in my local, right? So for that I need this is my JIT repo URL. Okay, so I go back to machine JIT clone. Okay, so it is cloning. Okay, so it's a empty repository, right? So I can check the status, JIT status. Okay, I need to go back to go into the directory demo JIT, and now okay, there is no files to commit. Okay, let's say like I'm going to create a file. So this is my right. I'm going to create a file, new text one. Okay, I will add one more. Okay, now if I say this status, there is one file to add, right? So I need to add JIT add and one.txt, or we can say dot, so it will add everything. Okay, now if I say JIT status, okay, so it is telling like no commits. I am on the master branch, no commits. Okay, so changes to be committed. So now I need to commit the changes. Okay, so JIT commit one.txt. Okay, so it is committing now. Okay, I need to say the message here. Okay, v1 version 1. Okay, so I'm committed, but still like I just committed, right? So I cannot see my file here. If I refresh this repo, I'm not seeing any files, right? So which means like I just committed. Now I need to let me check the status again, right? So okay, nothing to commit, working directory screen. So nothing there in my local, everything is in my local repo. Okay, from there I need to push to the hub. Okay, so for that JIT push. So now I push to the hub. Okay, you can see it here, right? So in case if I am making some changes here, okay, 3. Okay, now if I see JIT status, it is modified, right? So now I need to commit it again, right? Now I am going to push it again. Now if I go back and see, like I am seeing the latest news. So this it's a simple way of using the GIT. Okay, so there are actually many other tools available, like in industry in the real time they use tortoise. Okay, tortoise GIT is very lightweight and it is very easy to use. Okay, apart from that, the editor itself, most of the editor itself will be having the plugin to JIT, like Eclipse have its own JIT plugin, Visual Studio have its own JIT plugin, so we can use any of those inbuilt editor JIT tools to execute all these commands. Okay. In this section we can see like how to what is Kubernetes and how to deploy the Docker into Kubernetes. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye.